prospective K-4 and K-5 families. My name is Rachel Wagner and I am the very proud principal of Victory K-8 in Milwaukee Italian Immersion School. Here at Victory, we offer a traditional, loving, and supportive K-4 and K-5 program on our monolingual side. In that program, we have veteran teachers who include rigorous academic instruction as well as support our students in their social-emotional learning. We have a very quiet, calm environment that supports the students every day. We offer multiple experiences for our families throughout the school. That includes full-time art, gym, and music. We also offer extracurricular activities starting in our intermediate grades. We have volleyball, soccer, and flag football. We also offer band starting in our intermediate grades, which includes wind instruments, reed instruments, as well as brass instruments. Here at Victory, we have an extensive ESL program to support our families that speak over 19 languages. Our ESL teachers are a veteran staff and very knowledgeable and very vested in helping our English language learners succeed on a daily basis. We have a dual-tracked program starting in K-4 that offers full Italian immersion. In this program, the language is taught through the curriculum and hands-on experiences such as projects supported by Sharp Literacy, which include art, science, and even culinary experiences. You'll see here at Victory, we even have a fully functional culinary room. Please consider enrolling your child at Victory K-8 in Milwaukee Italian Immersion. We have dual-tracked, so we have both monolingual and the Italian program to choose from. We sincerely hope that you will give us a call and that we can answer any questions you might have about our offerings here at Victory.